This is Billy G with Guyette Roofing. Billy stands for William. G stands for gangster. You guys already knew that. I'm on a resi, little residential. Pew pew. Yes. I'm on a get that testosterone back. I'm on a residential roof in Montgomery, Alabama. It is Friday afternoon. It smells like brake dust and marijuana. Yeah, they're using it out here. They are. I don't judge, but I can smell. It's everywhere. It is everywhere. Okay? Okay. It's everywhere. I don't know what voice that was. I have found something that I thought was interesting. Maybe it's not that interesting, but this is what trees can do to a shingle roof. You know, when we're growing up, we're taught that trees are the good guys, you know, but they're not. Like, what good thing has a tree ever done? They suck up oxygen. Well, what about paper? Paper does not come from trees. Look it up. That has been the biggest lie that the government has pushed down our throats since elementary school. They've taught us that paper does not come from trees. Look it up. Look it up. Don't use Google though. Go to DuckDuckGo. Use a different search algorithm. Okay. Anyway, when trees come in contact with your asphalt products, with your shingles, they will rub the shingles until the shingles break down. Look at that linen shirt hanging loose. So this is what a tree branches when they're overhanging, when they're hanging on your roof. You're thinking, oh, well, my power bill, it's looking better. I've got all this shade. But no, it's tearing up your shingles. See this right here? Look at this. This is not natural aging on the shingles. This is what a tree does, okay? Look at that, just eating up your shingles, causing roof leaks. You see all that is tree damage. You got some more right there. Look at that. You got rusted nails. You can see bare wood deck down there. This is squirrel damage. This is a lead pipe collar, and then we've got little teeth marks on there. That's from a squirrel. Check this flashing out right here. Look at this. Could make a whole separate video here, but look at this lead pipe collar right here, and you can see the top of the pipe collar is not all the way underneath the shingle here. So when water's running down there, boom, underneath that lead flashing inside your house. A tree didn't cause that. That's bad workmanship. But just wanted to talk about that. Try not to fall down here. Look at that. Tree did that. Was it you? Was it you? Was it you? You hear the sirens? Brake dust and marijuana. All right, signing out. Montgomery, City of Dreams, Billy G.